All right, today is December 3rd, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Delay on the report to today because commitment to trader data did not come out until yesterday due to the holiday with Thanksgiving. So it took us a little while to get everything together. We're going to now put together the weekly report and talk through what we're looking at as far as trades. So let's jump in. And in terms of futures trading, we're looking at a couple of things here on the screen. Up here in the top left, we will start with copper. Copper is flagging a momentum buy for me with my momentum system. Going to be entering a small position here. The euro, I am slowly still tracking. I'm wondering if the bottom has been put in or not. I believe this was some sort of a news event. I know Canadian dollar had some sort of an interest rate decision or some sort of a meeting, and all these currencies dipped on about the same day on the 22nd, and then it seems to be a bottom wick, and things are starting to push up. Euro's still not completely crowded for me to be able to enter here, so just kind of watching it. Also seeing the moving averages cross negative, so not looking like a good entry there yet. Heating oil, same thing. We are watching it's getting close to setup, but not quite there yet. If we look at the sidebar here, I've got it written down as a long close setup, but still also moving averages cross negative. Cattle, I'm looking to roll over to the new contract tomorrow. It's actually right about at the level that I would get stopped out at. So if it does end up closing above 188.5 tomorrow, I'm going to be out of that position for a loss. And I will look to re enter on a news failure when the new contract has rolled over, which expires, I believe, on Thursday. Nat gas we're in on, but also not looking good. We've had a lot of selling pressure here over the past couple of days, but if this does continue to sell off, we'll likely get out of the position, or we'll see if it's going to gain some momentum to the upside. But we are long on natural gas. Cotton, I've got a flag for momentum buy here as well. I am not really that interested in entering right now, given these just odd candles here that have kind of flagged. Very random price action with low volume here. I mean, this bar had 500 volume. This one had 51. Really just not interested in trading it when it's kind of chopping around like that. And that was a contract roll recently, so I'm going to kind of sit and watch that one as well. Silver we're in on. We're in on a nice profit actually. We're in at about 30.4 and we're up to 31.44. About a $1,500 profit there. Gold we're in at $2,660, so we're about neutral here. Also, we're flagged, and we had actually gotten in, gotten out for a profit one or two times here, and now we're back in to go long. Per the momentum system. And then New Zealand dollar, I've actually jumped in here to go long. If we look at this on the daily, we're flagging. It's actually looking like it's getting some negative price action, but we're in on the current price that's sitting at. I'm have got a stop that's on the low of the 22nd there. I think the bottom's been put in, but we're going to find out very soon if that is the case. Only a half size position on that one. So what else are we looking at here on the sidebar? Talked about nat gas, talked about cattle, talked about the euro, heating oil, and New Zealand. Cattle I've got highlighted as yellow just because we are looking to actually get that to be a full size. It's only a half position here, but we're likely going to get stopped out or roll the contract. Silver we're in on, gold we're in on. Looking to get back in on Ethereum long from a momentum standpoint. Cotton long, I'm still waiting. I'd actually like to see the signal trigger on my TradingView instance. I use TradingView along with Thinkorswim, and there's a little bit different nuances between the indicators, and it's not currently flagging a buy on cotton. Copper, we're going to be entering very soon here per the momentum system. I actually like the price action here. The moving averages have actually cross pretty nicely here. I also think the bottom's really put in here on copper, but keep in mind we've got stops that are in place for when we initially set the trade, but we also have for our momentum system, we stop out if those moving averages cross back over. So there is an opportunity that this thing, gets in, goes up a little bit, moving averages cross, it goes down, and then we get out for a small loss or small profit. Doesn't have to actually hit the stop or hit our price targets with the momentum system. And then I'm kind of watching platinum on the side here as well. I would like to do or kind of get long there, anything around the 900s. And then we saw Salesforce and Okta with earnings today. Salesforce trading up about $30. So that must have been some good earnings news. And Okta, same thing, trading up from $81 to $94. That had a really nice rip higher. So that is sort of what we're looking at here. We've got as far as market data today. If I go over to Market Watch, just to give a quick overview, we're looking at Wednesday. Tomorrow, unemployment numbers. We've got manufacturing, ISM. Thursday, jobless claims. Friday, the U.S. unemployment report is going to be important as well, and some Fed speakers here. So that is going to be a pretty key news day. So I'll put this all on the report, and we will talk again likely during the week. So thanks for listening, and we'll talk soon.